So Bob has been the next meme coin that has pumped over 20,000% to the upside, following in the footsteps of its brother PEPE, which since then broke its all-time high, which I was very surprised by. And in the last 24 hours, the market cap of PEPE has gone from 100 million, which was crazy as it is, now sitting above 320 million, which is very good news for meme tokens in the short term. And in my opinion, this means we will continue to see this hype for these meme tokens play out over next week and the coming weeks based on the insane increase for Bob and then also the market cap for PEPE above 300 million. And that's why in today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing some new tokens and projects and reminding you guys of some other tokens that could follow in the footsteps of PEPE. And we're going to be breaking down the cycle of a meme token so that you guys understand when you should be considered selling and when you should be considering to buy based on what is happening, because a 90% retrace is totally normal for meme tokens. So once you understand how the cycles play out, it will definitely help you in choosing the best projects, guys. So before we jump into today's video, I kindly ask that you like this video and drop a comment down below for the algorithm. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for this meme token content and of course other Bitcoin update and analysis videos. So let's jump into today's video. So guys, the first token we're going to take a look at is indeed WOJAK token, which is currently the second hot pair on dextools. And I mentioned to you guys to buy WOJAK token at the breakout of this overhead resistance in a previous video, which since then rallied to the upside around 200%, had a nice pullback, creating this descending channel. Now remember this descending channel, guys, because this is going to basically give you some perspective as to what happens on other coins and the general life cycle and redistribution cycle of these meme tokens, which I talk about in this video. So since then, having broken this descending channel, WOJAK then pumped over 300% to the upside from our initial entry in my previous video, guys. So let me now show you why I just prefaced by showing you guys the fact that we break this overhead resistance, form a descending channel, and then significantly pump to the upside. And as you can see, WOJAK had this crazy accumulation wick pumping above its all-time high, which was not sustained, mostly probably due to bots in the order book stopping the price from pumping so much. But as you can see, there is insane demand for these meme tokens, guys. So if we're moving on to PEEPO token, which was a coin that I actually called down here at its lows, which went over 10 to 15x in profit and has since then pulled back to its historical support. As you can see, guys, back to its historical support. Now it's trending back to the upside and is breaking what appears to be the overhead resistance which we saw on WOJAK token. So I'm expecting a significant rally for PEEPO token in the short term, which could take price action back to its highs, which would be a comfortable 3 to 4x gain to its highs. And as we know with these tokens, if we're judging off PEPE and also Bob token, the tokens generally do pump above their all-time highs if you are patient enough. Now, given the fact that PEPE is now above a 300 million market cap, and I mentioned in my last video, guys, you can gauge the strength of these meme tokens and whether the hype is dying down or if the hype is still here based on the market cap of PEPE. And the fact that we've gone from 100 million market cap on PEPE to over 300 million in 24 hours just goes to show that meme tokens are still very, very hot right now, guys. So PEEPO token definitely has the potential to go above its all-time high based on what I'm seeing. It's only at a 1.4 million market cap, and in my opinion, this project could easily move to 10 million market cap next week. Moving on to PEPE token, which again, I want to show you guys the similarity between WOJAK token, where it had its pump above its descending overhead resistance, which we saw for PEPE. We saw this overhead descending resistance. It pumped to the upside quite significantly and is now forming this descending channel, which we saw perfectly for WOJAK token and also on PEPE and Bob on the lower timeframes as well. So once we break this descending channel for PEPE token, I do think we'll get a significant rally to the upside back to its all-time high and then much, much higher than that as well. So I did feature PEPE in my last video, guys, based on the utility, which is actually going live for PEPE tomorrow, where you're able to swap tokens, other meme tokens for PEPE, and you get a bonus on top of the standard swap rate. So for example, guys, if you bought into PEPE early and you're an early holder of the main meme token PEPE, and you want to take some profits, instead of just simply selling on Uniswap, you could come over to PEPE and you could feed PEPE for PEPE token, guys, which would give you a bonus on top of the standard swap rate and potentially obviously give you a lot more gains. So this utility is very, very interesting for PEPE, considering it's only a 700k market cap and the utility goes live tomorrow. I think this news could push price action out of this descending channel, which mentioned is very similar to WOJAK token. So keep a close eye on PEPE, guys, as it looks very, very good from a technical and also fundamental standpoint, guys. So bringing me onto a project which could genuinely 100x from here, but it's super risky, guys. As I was looking at this project literally just 20 minutes ago, it was a 90k market cap. Now it's at 121k and is rallying to the upside. And this is called Mrs. Bob. And as you can see, as I mentioned at the start of the video, Bob is up significantly. So seeing these tokens arise, such as Mrs. Bob, generally could be a good opportunity to scalp some gains, although I think this will be short-lived. Perhaps we have maybe 2 or 3 days to trade this project and take some profits, but it could definitely rally off the back of Bob's insane gain, considering Bob's market cap is currently at 33.9 million, and we see a token called Mrs. Bob now sitting at only 121k. There is some insane potential here for this token. Now, it does have a functioning website, as you can see, although it doesn't look the best, I'll be honest. The main point here is that they renounced the contract ownership, they burnt liquidity, and that's the main thing, and they have 0 sell tax and also buy tax for this token. But as you can see, the contract is yet to be verified on dextools with only a 6 out of 99 dex score. So this could be a rug pull or a scam, guys. Just bear that in mind, although it does look quite promising. And I'm pretty sure we're going to see at least a 3 to 4x gain from here in the short term on Mrs. Bob. So this is a great opportunity for you guys if you're hunting for a new little gem to get involved with. Definitely consider Mrs. Bob, and it's only obviously about a few hours old. It was listed today at 3 p.m. and it's currently 6 p.m. So just a few hours old on this project. And as always, guys, with such a low market cap, this very easily could be a rug pull or a scam. But I thought I would share this project with you guys, as I found this on the live new pairs earlier when I was doing some research. And as you can see, they have a Telegram, a Twitter, and a functioning website. And given the narrative right now with Bob token going absolutely crazy, following in the footsteps of PEPE, which is also going crazy still, then I think Mrs. Bob could definitely do a 3 or 4x gain from here. And that's why I'm featuring it in today's video, guys. But I gave you guys this information first over in my Discord. If I go into the channel on the left-hand side called Low Cap Gems in my VIP, you can see that I did call Mrs. Bob before this video so that you guys in my VIP had a chance to enter before it was featured in today's video. And to be honest, it's already up about 30 or 40% since the call, which is awesome. But I think obviously there's some insane potential here. If this project goes to about 1 million market cap, I think the price probably would correlate to maybe a 5x gain from here, which is absolutely perfect. And I would definitely recommend taking some profits there. Obviously, this is not going to be a main token or a main meme coin like Shiba Inu, for example, which PEPE has the potential to be. I really don't think Mrs. Bob will be up there, and I think this project will be very short-lived, but nonetheless gives us an excellent opportunity as meme coin hunters to make some profit and to hop into this project early before. And as you can see, the market cap is just increasing literally as I'm talking. So very good project here, guys. Just beware, it can be a rug pull or a scam as always, guys. So I hope you found this video useful. My name's been Crypto Smith, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you found this video useful. And I'll be bringing you guys the latest information on these meme coins as the hype continues to rally and we see PEPE and Bob, etc. all going crazy, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. My name's been Crypto Smith, and peace out.